Fruits, yummy and bright for breakfast, lunch, or snack. Eat them all day and night. Healthy for you, tasty and sweet. Fruits are the best thing to eat. Fruits, everywhere. Fruits, give me more. So much fun, let's explore. Apples are crunchy, juicy, and sweet. They come in colors like red, green, and neat. Packed with fiber, they help you grow. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. You know that this bite is fun to hear. Apples are a snack to cheer. Bananas are soft with the yellow peel, a great energy boost. That's the deal. Rich in potassium, good for your heart. Peel it from the top and the fun can start. They're perfect for snacks, easy to eat. Monkeys love that they're a treat. Mangoes are sweet, juicy and bright. Called the king of fruits, what a delight. Rich in vitamins, good for your skin. Peel the skin and dive right in. Perfect in summer, so smooth and fun. Mangoes are loved by everyone. Oranges are round, juicy and bright, filled with vitamin C. They feel just right. Peel them open for a zesty treat. Their citrusy flavor can't be beat. They're perfect for juice or eaten whole. Oranges are great for body and soul. Grapes are tiny, sweet, and round. In bunches on vines they can't be found. Green, red, or purple, each one's a snack. Pop them in your mouth, you'll keep coming back. They're full of flavor, easy to share. Grapes are a healthy treat everywhere. Watermelons are big with the green outside. Says them open, red sweetness inside. Juicy and cool, perfect for heat. In the summertime, they're the best treat. Full of water, they keep you refreshed. Watermelons are simply the best. Pineapples are spiky with the golden core. Slice them open for juicy galore. Sweet and tangy, they taste so nice. Perfect in drinks or with a slice. Packed with vitamins, they're good for you. Pineapples are tropical, fresh, and true. Strawberries are tiny, red, and sweet, with tiny seeds that you can eat. Rich in vitamin C and full of taste. You'll want to eat them without any waste. Perfect in smoothies or with cream on top. Strawberries are fruity pop. Kiwis fuzzy and brown on the outside, but cut it open and there's green inside. Tiny black seeds add to the fun. Sweet and tart all rolled into one. Rich in nutrients, this fruit is grand. Kiwi is healthy and tastes so grand. Pears are juicy, soft and sweet, with the shape that's round and neat. They can be green, red, or yellow. Each bite is smooth and mellow, perfect for snacks or in a pie. Pears are a tasty fruit to try. Papayas are big, orange and bright, filled with seeds that look black and light. Soft and juicy with a tropical taste. They make smoothies with no waste. Rich in vitamins, good for your health.
Hey kids, let's test what you have learned. Identify them and let us know in the comments section.
Hi kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.